What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday. I think Wednesday the 18th. I can't remember. I know it's the 18th. Been up since 3 o'clock this morning. Had my coffee. Came into school. Got everything done. Got my diploma and my certifications, and just hanging out here at the school. Back side of the school. Up there. I'll do another video or another better layout, but a lot of people here, I don't know if they want to be on video or not, so you know. But yeah, I graduated, got my certifications for flux/MIG, and waiting for, it's like a little after 12, so I'm kind of waiting for closer to 2 o'clock when second shift gets here. I can say goodbye to some friends or people I've met while here, and instructors and all that stuff. Plus there's not really much to do in this town anyway. But yeah, like I said, that's kind of a little tour. I'll try and do a better one later. Probably gonna look at tomorrow heading to Florida to see my awesome son. So yeah, and that is it for the time being as of right now. See you in a second. Good morning, everybody. It's the 19th, it's Thursday. Didn't film much yesterday, except for what I filmed. Didn't get much of the school. Too many people, just didn't feel like dealing with it. Ended up just hanging out with a buddy last night, and then crashed at a Pilot truck stop. Didn't have a semi parked next to me, but I was parked in the regular parking, and I guess he didn't have a trailer. Making coffee. It's like almost 5 in the morning. Making coffee. Gonna take a shower. About 7 o'clock, probably head out. Memphis is little over 6 hours away, which should, with me, the way I drive, be about 8 hours. They got the Pyramid Bass Pro Shop that I haven't been to in a couple years. I think I'm gonna see if I can crash in there, well, not crash, park in their parking lot overnight, and then leave the next morning to head south. Any road, I put in kind of, I guess a lot of them went through Memphis, but at least the shortest routes. So I'm just gonna head to Memphis, check out the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid, which I'll video. But I'm gonna close out this video, kind of, I guess, be my graduation video. I'll really nothing special. Got a diploma, my certification sheet stating that I got the flux and MIG welding. So yeah, I'll probably film some more on my trip today. Definitely film some at Bass Pro Shop. It's the Pyramid one in Memphis. So love life, live life, enjoy life. For all the new subscribers, welcome to Squatchy Weirdness, and Sorry, checking my water. And to my son, I love you. I'll be down there by this weekend. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We'll tap on it. Like, comment, all that stuff. It'd be greatly appreciated on this weirdly squatchy channel. Till next time, stay weird.